College student died in a car crash in Milton. A jury just ordered the city to pay his family more than $30 million.
Channel 2's Courtney Francisco investigated to find out why. She's live where that crash happened. And Courtney, this ruling could lead to changes in cities all over the state.
That's right, Karen. This could lead cities across the state to change their inspection policies. Now, this stretch of grass that I'm standing on is owned by the city of Milton. And before this crash happened, these flowers weren't here. That driveway wasn't here. And cars that would pass this concrete flower bed or planter. And a jury ruled this week that the city should have removed it years before someone crashed into it and died. It was his senior year at Yale. Josh Chang, an inventor, salutatorian of Woodstock High School, was on track to becoming an engineer.
He was going to make the world a better place.
When attorneys told a jury this week this decorative planter made of stone stacked around a tractor tire killed him 7 years ago.
It's a death trap. It's got no purpose to be there. It's get rid of it. It's a no-brainer.
This case takes us back to 2016. Chang was home visiting family on Thanksgiving break, spent the day with friends, just enjoying each other.
They all very fondly remember he's social, he's active.
He was on his way home before 7:30 in the evening when a police report says his car swerved off Batesville Road in Milton and hit the planter. He died before medics arrived.
People like him are the people that are out there working on curing cancer. They're designing the new lightweight airplane. They're making a real positive difference.
Attorneys told the jury the city has an ordinance requiring them to evaluate fixed objects in the right-of-way and remove hazards within 30 days, arguing if this planter was removed, Chang would have slid to a stop.
Now, did they know that this was an obstruction already?
They claim they didn't. So that was one of their defenses.
I emailed and called the city. I'm waiting on a response. Simon argued the planter was 8 feet in diameter, 3 feet tall, maintenance mowed and paved around it. After an hour and 10 minutes of deliberating, the jury awarded Chang's parents $32.5 million.
Numbers like this make cities pay attention, and they make them get safer.
He said family hopes other cities take note and put inspection policies in place.
And I guarantee you that across this huge state, there are other situations like this, where something got built and it's almost a danger hiding in plain sight.
And Channel 2's Courtney Francisco's back live with us tonight in Milton. Courtney, could this affect taxpayers there?
Well, attorneys say that Milton can afford this, but they say that if the city appeals and time passes, that it could have a pinch on taxes because that takes time, and this $32.5 million is accruing interest. Now, I have more information on how we got here and what's next in the court system on WSBTV.com.
All right, Courtney Francisco, as we can see the lights there, the only lights from your cameraman.
And new tonight, nearly